Planning a trip to Peru? Whether you're hiking through ancient ruins, exploring lush jungles, or navigating vibrant cities, packing right is essential. Peru's diverse geography and varying climates mean you need to be prepared for just about everything. Let's dive into what to pack for an unforgettable trip to Peru. First things first, let's talk about Peru's seasons and geography. Peru has three main regions: the coast, the Andes Mountains, and the Amazon rainforest. The weather can be vastly different depending on where and when you visit. The coast, including Lima, is mild and often cloudy during winter, May to September, but summers, December to March, are warm and sunny. In the Andes, like Cusco and Machu Picchu, expect a dry season from May to October and a wet season from November to April. The Amazon is hot and humid year-round, with heavier rain from December to March. Let's start with the must-haves that you'll need, regardless of the season or region. A sturdy backpack or day pack for all your adventures. Comfortable walking shoes or hiking boots. Make sure they're broken in. Travel-size toiletries and sunscreen. The high altitudes can be harsh on your skin. A reusable water bottle with a filter. Staying hydrated is key, especially in the mountains. Lightweight rain jacket or poncho. Even in the dry season, weather can surprise you. If you're heading to the coast, pack for mild to warm weather. In summer, you'll want light, breathable clothing. Think shorts, t-shirts, and swimsuits if you're visiting beaches. In winter, bring layers like a sweater and a light jacket for cooler, misty evenings. The Andes can be tricky. Days are warm and sunny, but nights can get freezing, especially at higher altitudes. Here's what to pack. Base layers for warmth. A fleece or down jacket for cold mornings and evenings. Quick-dry shirts and hiking pants for day treks. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses for sun protection. Gloves and a beanie for the chilly nights. Pro tip: don't forget altitude sickness remedies like coca leaves or medication. The Amazon is hot, humid, and full of adventure. Keep these essentials in mind. Lightweight, long-sleeved shirts and pants to protect against mosquitoes. A wide-brimmed hat and plenty of insect repellent. Waterproof boots for muddy trails. Quick-dry clothing and a compact travel towel. Binoculars for spotting wildlife. Don't forget these extras to make your trip smoother. A power bank and universal adapter for charging your devices. A camera or smartphone to capture Peru's stunning scenery. A first aid kit with basics like Band-Aids, pain relievers, and motion sickness tablets. Snacks like energy bars for long travel days. Before you go, here are a few packing hacks to keep in mind. Use packing cubes to stay organized and save space. Pack a small, lightweight bag for souvenirs. Check airline baggage policies to avoid extra fees. And always leave room for local finds. Peru's alpaca sweaters are irresistible. And there you have it, your ultimate packing guide for Peru. With these tips, you'll be ready for any adventure this amazing country throws your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Peru packing tips in the comments below. Safe travels and hasta luego!